Why is the fire triangle crucial for wildfire suppression? Imagine witnessing a wildfire rapidly spreading across a forest, threatening wildlife, property, and human lives. Understanding how fires grow and how they can be stopped is essential for effective firefighting. One of the most fundamental concepts in fire science is the fire triangle, which explains the three elements necessary for a fire to ignite and sustain itself. These elements are heat, fuel, and oxygen. Recognizing how these components interact allows firefighters and land managers to develop strategies that effectively suppress wildfires. The first element, heat, is the energy needed to raise the temperature of fuel to its ignition point. Wildfires often start when a spark ignites dry leaves, grass, or fallen branches. Once a fire begins, it generates additional heat through combustion, which can cause the fire to spread rapidly. Controlling heat involves removing sources of ignition or reducing the temperature of the fuel through methods such as water application or fire retardants. Fuel refers to any combustible material that can feed the fire. In wildland environments, this includes grasses, shrubs, trees, and fallen debris. The amount, type, and moisture content of fuel significantly influence how quickly a fire spreads and how intense it becomes. Managing fuel involves techniques like controlled burns to reduce excess vegetation or creating fire breaks, areas devoid of combustible material, to slow or stop the fire's progress. Oxygen is vital for combustion because it sustains the chemical reactions that produce fire. The atmosphere provides ample oxygen, which is why wildfires can be so persistent and difficult to extinguish. Firefighters often attempt to limit oxygen supply by creating barriers or smothering flames with foam or other fire suppression agents. In some cases, reducing oxygen availability can effectively weaken or extinguish a fire. The fire triangle's importance in wildfire suppression lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. By removing or disrupting any one of the three elements, firefighters can halt the fire's growth. For example, applying water cools the heat and raises moisture levels in fuels, making ignition less likely. Creating fire breaks removes fuel, preventing the fire from advancing. Covering flames with foam or other agents can cut off oxygen, suffocating the fire. In summary, the fire triangle provides a clear framework for understanding how wildfires start and how they can be controlled. Recognizing the interplay of heat, fuel, and oxygen allows for targeted strategies that protect lives, property, and natural resources. Mastery of this concept is essential for effective wildfire suppression efforts worldwide.